What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl D. Don't forget to subscribe, that way you guys are always staying up with my videos. In case you guys forgot, I recorded every day for the month of December, so this is December 9th's vlog. Started out by doing a split hair color, half black, half red. I didn't go into detail because I have a full video. The last time that I had done his hair, I recorded a full in-depth tutorial, so I will leave that in the description if you guys are interested, but did still want to show his before and after because I love doing transformations, obviously you guys know. Then after that, my boss had this little like chalkboard type of thing that she wanted me to do something Christmassy on, so I just went onto Pinterest, try to find something simple but not simple, but you know, simple-ish, like just like a saying, something cute. So I found this one which turned out okay. Like, I will say that I don't think it turned out great, but I don't like chalk. Chalk is not my friend. We like pens and we like paper, so if it doesn't look perfect, like, sorry, but it still looked cute. I did it in the shape of a Christmas tree, so that way it's like not just a saying, it's also a tree. So yeah, I thought that was cute. What's up guys? I still have 4 more haircuts. So yeah, I'm going home right now. Okay. Hold it. Yeah, hold it.
Yeah,
hold it.
Hold it. Feels so weird.
Look at me. Y'all get together. Is this still a video? Yeah. No, I'm just taking a picture real quick. 1, 2, 3. Next time. Alright, let me. Mine. Okay. I'll spin you so we can do what it is. Okay, look down. I think my coat is still. Done for the day. I'm gonna go ahead and pack my stuff right now for the wedding for tomorrow because I need to start at 8 a.m. so that means I need to leave my house at like 7:30, and if I come to the shop then that means I have to wake up even earlier, and I'm already here, so I might as well take my stuff. But your girl is tired, so I kinda don't want to. Let me start. Okay, so I need hairspray. I got a working hairspray, I got a finishing hairspray, I got a tease hairspray, I got a dry texture spray, I have a heat protectant spray. I'm gonna take BioSilk. I like to use that sometimes just to give people a little bit of extra shine. What else do I need? Oh, I need my powder plate. Bueno? Hey, what's up?